All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2021 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI. Rear wheel drive only. This is not an all-wheel drive. I repeat, this is a rear wheel drive only 5.7 HEMI. Original black on black from factory. Vehicle does have some little scratches. Vehicle does have about 3 door dings, but nothing big or major to worry about. This was a State Trooper Highway Patrol slicked up vehicle, folks. She is in immaculate running condition and shape, as I already have gone through her and gave her what she needed. So she is road ready. Let me go forward here on the driver's side door, folks. You guys can see the chips right there. Scratch down there on the bottom. Scratch. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can put some touch-up paint on those so I can hide them. But just letting you know what the vehicle does have. Once again, this vehicle has not been painted. This is the original paint of the vehicle. Let me stop right here. Vehicle does have a fresh new window tint. That is going to be 20% all around. Not too dark, not too light. Vehicle also does have 3 antennas on the roof, 4 antennas on the roof, and 2 on the trunk lid. Those are going to be the actual antennas. So if you need to take your car to an express car wash, those antennas are not going to go anywhere or fly away. So they are the real deal, and the car does look very legit. Also, the vehicle does have OEM working backup sensors, backup camera. Proximity sensors are included with the backup sensors, so it tells you how close you're getting into the rear object. On the rear bumper, you're going to see that the vehicle does have 2 holes right there. I decided to leave those alone just in case you wanted to go ahead and put some rear bumper lights. Amber and white should be great for this vehicle. These are the antennas, folks, so they're not going anywhere. They're solid. I put everything back in place, and the vehicle does look very, very legit. She is very mean, and she will draw attention. Folks, before I forget, I got to tell you that the vehicle does have a new set of Goodyear Eagles Enforcers, once again courtesy of the Highway Patrol State Trooper Department. Luckily, I didn't have to do tires on this one, so the tires are new. I did the wheel conversion, so I went with the dog dishes versus the full wheel covers that the car came with. So once again, you have 20 new OEM lug nuts with a new used set of dog dishes to improve the look of the vehicle. Quite frankly, I like this look better. Vehicle does have 1 working LED spotlight. Vehicle does have a Satina push bar. What you see is what you're gonna get. The vehicle does have a nice set of OEM headlamps. They're nice and clean. This is what the car actually came with. On the front bumper, you're gonna see some scuff marks. You guys can see that right there from the road. We'll call that road hazard. You guys can see it. Those didn't go away. I'm not sure if you want to do some color sanding and some extra buffing and see if that goes away, but aside from that, the vehicle looks gorgeous. Very, very intimidating going down the road, folks. Let me tell you. All right, let's go inside, show you what we got to work with before my neighbors decide to come in and out. This is the rear seat. That is a Dodge Charger seat from an older year, I should say, but it does work. This is what the vehicle came with, so I decided to leave it alone. It does have carpet floors with a new used set of OEM floor mats that I had on standby in my storage, so I threw those on here because the car didn't come with any floor mats. Vehicle does have working rear doors, so if you do have passengers, they'll be able to exit out on their own. If we move to the front, driver's side seat is in nice shape, nice and comfortable still. Vehicle does have a new mini center console there. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Vehicle does have a new mini center console. Passenger side seat appears to be in good shape as well. I don't think nobody ever sat there, and if they did, it wasn't for a long time. Steering wheel was replaced, folks. The steering wheel that came with the car, it had a lot of wear on it, and I put a new OEM one right here. All right, hunk does work, everything does work on the steering wheel, but yes, this piece right here is new. Okay, I'm pretty particular when it comes to steering wheels, and if I have access to getting them and replacing them, I will. Let me get inside. Oh yeah, carpet floors. Once again, I've been stepping on it, but yeah, this is what the car came with. And I put them on there. I had a nice little set. The car came with 5 key fobs. Let me clean that up for you. 5 working key fobs with new batteries. I put new batteries on all 5 of them. Okay. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Let me clean this up here for you guys. I hope I have good. I hope it's readable. Vehicle does have 126. I'm gonna round that up to 127,000 miles, 1618 idle hours, 4,000 total idle hours. Not bad at all. Okay, let me zoom out. Sorry, let me clean this up here for you guys. Everything works in the vehicle. Speakers do work. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. Manual in place. Let's put that back out there. The vehicle does have working factory Bluetooth. Okay, so you can connect your phone to the vehicle. USB do work. Auxiliary USB 1 and 2 do work. Okay. The cigarette lighters do not work. There is no plug for me to plug them into, but the USB do work, so you can go ahead and charge your phone right through these two right here. Okay, we're gonna go to the trunk. LED light does work. Red LED, white LED. Let's put it on backup right here. Well, sorry, you're looking at the trees, but the backup camera do work. Okay, just wanted to show you that. Let's open the hood while we are at it. Bear with me here as I clean this up for you guys. There you go. This is the trunk. Full spare tire in place. Floor jack. Fuel nozzle there. It's got the slide out tray table there. Everything does work, folks. Everything does work. What you see is what you're gonna get. Not a penny less, not a penny more. Once again, this is gonna be a 2021 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI. Vehicle does have new light bulbs. I went with the Sylvania CXC light bulbs, so these are brighter and wider. I've been using those for like about a year, and I like them very much, especially if you are doing night driving. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Let me be quiet here for a quick second so you can hear the engine, okay? All right, here we go, starting right to left. I do have a brand new air filter. I do have a brand new OEM coolant reservoir tank. The one that the car came with was already brown, and brown means old. Vehicle did receive a full synthetic 520 oil service, fluid and filter. Vehicle does have 16 OEM iridium spark plugs. Transmission was also serviced on this one. It's because it's a 21, things are a little bit different. So the transmission was serviced. The transmission pan and filter is one. That was around $250, and 6 quarts of special Mopar transmission fluid, which cost me $25 a quart. Transmission service was done using OEM fluid and filter, folks. Do not go the cheaper route on this particular transmission. They're solid, but don't go cheap on them, please. The vehicle also does have a brand new cabin filter. Suspension is nice and tight. Vehicle doesn't have any funny noises, any funny smells whatsoever. Water pump looks like it was already replaced along with the thermostat from the department. So does the electric front shroud. Appears to be in new condition, so I'm sure that was done, folks. What you see is what you're gonna get, folks. Everything has been serviced. Everything does work. And once again, I've set you up for success on another mean-looking Dodge Charger, folks. I have been driving this vehicle, and I got to tell you that when you are on the highway, it feels like you are riding on air. The vehicle, for some reason or another, it just feels different in a good way, and it feels like you're just gliding through the air. It really, really does. All right, folks, this is it. I do have to go. Once again, 2021 Dodge Charger with 127,000 miles, 5.7 HEMI, rear-wheel drive only. Vehicle does have a clean and clear title on hand, and she is ready to go anywhere, folks. One last final look. All right, folks, this is it for me. If you guys like this car, please do not hesitate to give me a call, text me. Let's talk about it. Not sure how long this vehicle is going to remain online, but black on black usually doesn't stick around for a long time, especially on a beast like this. All right, folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off, also known as Soca Police Cruisers. You guys have a blessed weekend, and please take care. Thanks for watching.